In the quiet moments of reflection, we often find the spark that ignites our deepest desires. Meet Alex, a man with a dream that begins in the silent corridors of his imagination. As he envisions the open road, a longing to become a biker takes root. A simple idea that could change the course of his life. In search of inspiration, Alex stumbles upon Moto Meet, the hub where dreams of the road come to life. The newsfeed becomes a canvas of possibilities as he immerses himself in the world of bikers. From dreamer to doer, Alex navigates to the marketplace, a treasure trove of dreams where he finds the motorcycle he never thought possible. Affordable, beautiful, and waiting to be ridden. With the hum of the engine, Alex takes his first steps into a new world. But the journey doesn't end there, it's just the beginning of the ride. Curiosity piques Alex's interest, and he seeks guidance. How to become a good biker? He wonders aloud to the vibrant Moto Meet community. The answers flood in: ride a lot, take a coach, and watch videos on Moto Meet. A chorus of wisdom echoing through the digital highway. With newfound skills, Alex craves camaraderie. Back to Moto Meet, he scrolls through local events, and the idea sparks. Why not create his own event? Within moments, fellow bikers express their eagerness to join. A community united by a shared passion, ready to ride together, fueled by the spirit of the road. Arriving as strangers, leaving as a tribe. The laughter, the freedom, the shared exhilaration, it's a symphony of engines harmonizing with the wind. Back home, Alex shares a snapshot of the day, a testament to the power of connection, forged on the road, celebrated in the digital realm. Likes and comments pour in, affirming that the bonds of the road extend beyond the asphalt. Alex is not alone, he's part of a thriving community. As the journey continues, Moto Meet remains the compass guiding bikers on their quests. Connect, ride, share, the road awaits. Moto Meet, where dreams meet the road. Moto Meet, ride together, stay connected.